Hey, I'm Mindy Kinnis. This is the Daily Rage. Today is trading like TAR. That's TAR. Those of you that have taken a recent class with me will know what that stands for. But look at these ranges on the indexes. They are super, super small. 169 out of 592 on the Dow, 152 out of 367 on the NAS, only 21 out of 41 on the Russell, and 24 out of 84 on the S&P. Pretty pathetic. So if we look at a smaller time frame, let's go down to a 2 minute and I can show you. I mean, this is just a mess. There was some excitement earlier with the ADP economic news release that just shot the market down. That was kind of fun, and then had a little bit of nice follow through to the downside, but really like just pretty much a choppy mess since then. So if we take a look at gold, is a very different story. Thankfully, I was able to trade a little bit of this, but unfortunately it wasn't enough to overtake my losses in the indexes. So this had a decent move up. We are heading toward a target of 34.17. So as usual, it's kind of about like just trading the thing that is moving well. And if I would have just stuck to this, that would have been a much better situation than trying to trade in the tar of the indexes. Now I'm gonna head out hiking, be done early for the day. Hope you have a great day. I'm Mindy Kinnis. Thanks so much for watching.